What's up? Just Smell So Good Nation. I'm your host, Roosevelt. Man, I know y'all, some of y'all never done this before. Walk away from an offer that was lower than your asking price. Here's why you did not do it. Because you do not know your worth. But, or you consider that that's going to be the last offer that you can get. Once you make a proposed offer, what you want to do next is walk the fuck off. It's just like romancing the stone. You know who you are, you know what you bring to the table, and you know the best product possible. Welcome to the Just Smell So Good Nation. Please subscribe, make, comment, share.